Hello and welcome to the first Alice tutorial. Today we are going to be covering the Alice interface. Some of the things that we're going to be covering here specifically are the object tree, the detail area, the editor area, the events area, the play button, world view, undo, redo, trash button, and lastly the play button. So the first thing we're going to go over here is the play button. The play button is in the upper left hand corner, and basically, the play button allows you to pause, play, restart, speed up, and take a picture of your character. Next to that is the undo button. The undo button is basically if you make an action that you would like to go ahead and get rid of, you can go ahead and just click on the undo button. Or you could redo that same thing if you maybe got rid of it and you want to bring it back. Directly next to that is the trash button, and this is where you can go ahead and drag anything that you wanted to. Let's say I wanted to get rid of my ground, I could just drag and drop it in here. Directly below these buttons is the object tree, and the object tree is the section that shows you all the objects that you've created for your world. Directly below that is the details area. The details area contains all of the different details for the objects that you have inside of your world. So for instance, you could edit the properties, you could add new methods or different functions. All of these three tabs we're going to cover in a later tutorial. Next is the editor area. The editor area allows you to make objects do new things. Like for instance, if we wanted to make an object spin or jump, this would be the area in which we can do it. Directly above that is the events area. The events area allows you to tell Alice when to make objects do certain things. The key word here is being when. As you can see, this little blue box is popping up here, and it says that events run methods when certain things happen, like when the mouse is clicked on an object or when a certain key is pressed. Basically what this means is that when you press a key, a function will happen. Lastly, directly next to the events area is the world view. The world view allows you to get a in-depth view. As you can see here, I'm moving up, I'm moving back, left and right inside of the world that I've created. And this basically allows you to go ahead and get a real-life view of your world as you're making adjustments to it. Also, you can add objects here as well. And this will conclude the first tutorial.